So, welcome people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I welcome you all back to another episode of Resistic Bikes. So, I'm extremely sorry for that heavy noise intro because I just wanted to show you guys how it is Bangalore right now. So, Bangalore has opened up everything and that is the amount of traffic noise you can hear when you stand on that street. So, just imagine how many vehicles are going around every day. Okay, so why am I walking around in the streets right now? Actually, I had to go on an early morning ride today. I had brought some things from Amazon.com for my accessories for my SJ cam. So I wanted to test that out on the flyover. That is my favorite place to go around. Even when I feel depressed or when I feel happy, I used to go around that flyover. So as soon as I started in the morning, my bike cranked up. I walked only about 100 meters. I rode around 100 meters and my bike suddenly stopped. And it was not starting up. So that created a big issue. So I just dropped my bike in a service center and the evening it is around 5 PM now. So I thought that when there is a will, there is a way. So instead of going in the bike and testing out my things, I thought I'll go in the cycle and try and do some content for you guys. It's been around 2 weeks since I didn't a content. So I thought it's the best time to go and do a content. People are staring at me like I'm doing something else. Okay, so in Bangalore we have a beautiful thing called as Yulu cycles, where they rent us cycles and you can go around with that and drop it off in their stations. So right now I'm walking towards a Yulu station, so there is a bit far from my house and I'm in the Electronicity phase 1 now. So I'll take that Yulu cycle and show you guys a bit of electronicity with the use of my accessories. Okay, that sounds like a good idea, so that's why I held up. And the bridge in which I gave the intro is the bridge that separates between phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, now I'll go to the Yulu station and then vlog because people are looking at me like I'm doing something wrong. Okay, so see you guys at the Yulu station. This is the Yulu station from where I am to take my cycle. So they have both electric bikes as well as cycles, and you can unlock them with a small app that you do like when you do it for a bounce bike or something. So right now I'm going to move into my first accessory of the day, that is my chest mount. So I'll put my chest mount and then I'll meet you guys. Okay. So this is how the chest mount stands up. So I hope it is fine. Yes, it looks a bit ajib, but you have to manage with it. So right now I'm going to switch my camera from my phone to my SD cam. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So I'm just wearing a gloves because there are hundreds of people who wear this, or you use this Yulu. So I don't want to take any risk. So I just unlock them. I'm going. Yes. After a very, very, very long time, I'm riding a cycle and it feels really nice. Oh, this is a bump. इधर से निकल जाएंगे अपन. तो रोड क्रॉस करने का और निकल जाने का. So this is the main streets of Electronicity, and this is my on the right side you have my office. So I'll show that when I come back. Yes, the Yulu cycle feels good, man. It actually feels good. See a bell here. If you rotate this, that is a bell. I really like it from now on. So this is how it looks when I put it on my head. Actually I thought I have to change from my chest mount to head mount because I don't think that is going good justice for me to show you the around. So I thought I'll change to my headgear, but I know it is looking very, very ajib in my head. Yeah, the buses have started. You see, I think in every seat there are only one person allowed. So only one person is staying at sitting at every seat. This place to cycle, and cycle is also really good. If you move here, here is the bell. See, That gives me a feel of the gear cycle. This is actually the start of the heart of Aratana city, that is called Neeladri. So the place where I am going to now is Neeladri Road, which is actually pretty good. It is like the heartthrob of Aratana city. So this is actually Wipro. And we have a TCS and CTS on the phase 2 side. So I think this is the phase 1. So you know that Bangalore was also called as apartment city, right? Yeah. So here is one example of that apartment city. So this is the start of Neeladri and this is the first apartment that is here. So from now on you will have a view of a lot of apartments. So I'll show you. I forgot to mention the charges for this YOLO cycle. They are charging, first we have to pay a 200 rupees initial deposit. After then on, it is like around 10 minutes for the first 30. So 10 rupees for the first 30 minutes. From then on, every half an hour, 5 rupees. So I think if you want a good workout, once in a while you can use this cycle. Oh, the handlebar is pretty loose if you can see. So I don't want to risk it. It's not my cycle either. So I'm just going with the flow. And this is a village restaurant that is especially for takeaway. So there's a lot of Zomato vehicles around. This is especially for takeaway. Equipment that I'm going to use is this. So this is like a stand, this is like a tripod, a stick or called stick it is called. So it is like it can extend up to far distance. So I'll try to take some lower shots as well as some upper shots with this. Okay. So I was actually quite tired. Right now I was cycling after a very long time. So I wanted to have some water. So I just dropped by my friend's place. This is a nice place. But this place has one of the best views that you can get in any of my friend's place. So I thought this time lapse to banta hai. So here you go. Time lapse in 3, 2, 1. like the time lapse that was taken with a very high risk. It was kept at the edge of the railing. So if you guys like that, please click on the like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Vishal, and I create many videos that is quite interesting and quite happy, that will give you a smile in your face. So if you are a person who loves smiling, then please hit on the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you get instant notification whenever I put on a new video. So when I was sitting like this, I was just thinking that I know this has been a very bad period for everyone. This is like one of the toughest periods that everyone has ever faced in life. But still you have to start living with it, because I know the cases are increasing every day. There are a lot of people suffering without beds and all in the hospitals. So yeah, so make sure you guys take immense safety measures. Please make sure you don't come out of the house, and even if you are about to come out, please make sure you guys wear gloves, a mask and all, which is must, and stay safe and stay healthy. Also, I would like to tell you guys that please do everything in life that really makes you happy, or that gives you a happiness inside you and not outside you. Because happiness is easy to show, because now I'm smiling, it doesn't mean that I'm happy. So whenever that happiness comes inside from this heart, that is the best happiness you ever get. So always try to do things that makes your inner happy, so that you guys stay happy from inside. That means you stay happy from outside, which means you stay long. So always live your dreams and love your life. That is what I say always. So always start starting towards your passion. Even though life is going really tough, life is going unexpected, you guys have to start living with it, because that is life. There is a right time for everything, and everything will happen at that right time. So life is that, expecting that the right thing will happen next day. But you also make sure that you live the happiest today, because you never know what happens tomorrow. So always, that is my motto: live for the present, and don't think about the past. Aim for the future and live in the present, so that you guys lead a very happy life ahead. So before going, I thought I'll show you guys also what all I got. So this is the chest mount that I used in the beginning. So I have used this. Then this is the head mount that I used when I started towards Neeladri. Then this is the wrist mount that comes, and this goes like 360 degree also. That is what I was trying to shoot, something 360 degree. And this is that extender. So this is how tall it will extend up to. So that is how I can take that ground shots and all. Other than that, you have one more clip. So this is the bag clip. You clip it to the bag. So I'll try to shoot with this right now when I'm going. And then you have a cycle mount or a bike mount. Then you have a suction cup. So about the suction cup, I'll show you guys when I use it out. I don't know if I can use it here, but when I use it in my future videos, I'll show you guys about this. And this is again a water. It will hold your camera up on water. So this is one more mount. And other than that, you have a lot of accessories also. So these all I got for $9.99 from Amazon, and it is pretty decent. The quality is pretty good and everything is going fine. So I'll leave the description of this below in the video. But right now it is time to go. शाम का जवानी है, एक चाय पीना है, तो अपन चलते हैं. चलो. So beautiful sunset is happening there in back, and I have fitted my camera like this with the bag holder. So let's see how it goes. Right now I'm going to have some chai. I'll go there and meet you guys. Okay. So if you see, I'm at the rear end of the Neeladri road. Here if you have everything here. You have Puma, you have Barbecue Nation, then you have Brand Factory, you have Kapoor's Cafe, everything is over here. And if you guys remember this building, so this is the building that became very famous when liquors were first opened up after the lockdown, because there was a huge line from here till there. So this is that famous liquor shop. बहुत बड़ा पोपट हो गया. So this is the place where I used to have my chai. It is called Morris Restaurant. So a shawarma from there and a tea from there is really a good combination. So that was most of the times I used to have that in the weekends. So right now, since that is not available, I have to find a different place for chai. I hope I find one because I'm really craving for chai now. So this is the main Electronic City Seed Street. You can see how crowded it is and how much noise you are able to hear. And you have everything over here, everything that you need is over here. So I am staying at a good place. I just dropped off my YOLO at the location. I'll go home and then talk to you guys about it completely. Okay? Right now, Killian. So yesterday night, as soon as I came back, I was very tired, so I just slept off. So I hope you guys like this simple video. I promise that in the coming videos, I'll bring up some interesting content for you guys. But today, that is it. So, and yes, my suction mount here, I've kept it for the time lapse here. So hope you guys will enjoy it in the post credit scene. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye. Take care.